Hi guys, welcome back to the video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to restore or partially restore a faded black bumper. So this will work mostly on bumpers that are black in material, so plastic, of course with no paint on them. And the tools that you are going to need for this process are a blowtorch or a heat gun. I used a blowtorch in this method. Of course, a ratchet with a socket. I think it's size 13 for the bumper stiffener to take it out, front and back. And then just a screwdriver to take out the indicator lenses. So you can have the bumper stripped of all accessories and have the raw bumper so you can start the job. So this is how the bumpers look previously. And this is how it looks now. So the process that I used, just to of course clean the bumpers off first, make sure all the dust is removed so that they don't burn that in. Just give it a quick wash, dry it off with a chamois and let it out to dry in the sun so they can be perfectly safe before you do this process. So what I did is just took the blowtorch, fanned it lightly across the bumper, making sure that I don't keep the flame too close, otherwise it will distort or bring out any bubbles. As you can see, the flame should bring out the blackness immediately. And this is the end result. It's quite a fairly simple task to use, what to do. It's quite unorthodox, but it works. As you can see, bumper is black. There is a bit of marks on it, but that's just because of its old age, all the scratches and all of those type of things. But in essence, it's looking much better than what it did before. There's more things that I want to show you guys, further projects that will be on the channel. So I'm sure you can see the course over there. What he was with at the moment is just changing the gearbox mounting. I'll put that video up at a later stage once we're done with it, because we removed the mounting but found out that the mounting that was given to us is the incorrect one. So we're just waiting on the mounting for that. Then we have this over here, which is on the EK, as a P20B fitted in. I'll also be making videos on that. We'll be adding more stuff. We added a deck spec radiator to it, different fan in it as well so it can clear the manifold. But I'll be posting on that as well. And then there in the corner we have a 4-seater. It's currently a 1.6 carburetor, but at a later stage we will be converting it to a V6. We have all the motor and everything, so we're just waiting on a day to start doing all of those things. But I will definitely be picking up a series on that as well. But there's a lot of cars in the yard. Of course, everything that you work on I will be posting, giving you guys tips and tricks on how to sort everything out. You can do it yourself. But until next time, see you guys. Ciao.